They're all in line. And they're off. Very even start. From the inside, Tricks Not Treats is showing some speed. Lots of Fizz is coming right on through to take up the running from the rail. And also right there is El Segundo Joe as they make their way out of the chute and onto the main track. El Da Vinci runs along fourth just outside of Louis Legrand, then Flight to Eden, and Pound Cake can see them all and has about 7 lengths to make up on Lots of Fizz and Luis Colon. Lots of Fizz, big long shot, leading him down the backstretch, and he's opened up now to have it almost a length from Tricks Not Treats. El Segundo Joe is in the clear third and only 2 lengths off the lead past the half-mile pole, and these 3 are about 5 lengths clear of the other 4 who are straight in a line right now, Louis Legrand, El Da Vinci, Flight to Eden, and Pound Cake. They move for the forward turn. There goes Tricks Not Treats. No, Tricks Not Treats just checking badly. Tricks Not Treats being pulled up and is out of the race. Tricks Not Treats out of the race. It's Lots of Fizz kicking on with it, but immediately attacked by El Segundo Joe. And El Segundo Joe's the new leader as they come to the top of the lane, but a host of pursuers coming to him. Flight to Eden 5 wide off the turn is closing. Louis Legrand is also in with a shot. Whip is out on El Segundo Joe. Flight to Eden trying to close with Louis Legrand. El Segundo Joe is tired. Flight to Eden closing the grandstand side. Louis Legrand is there from between runners. Flight to Eden, Louis Legrand, El Segundo Joe. Lots of Fizz back up the rail. Louis Legrand just in front. Louis Legrand won it tight for place and show. El Segundo Joe and Lots of Fizz.